My name is David, and I live in Jupiter, Florida. As you can see, we have a travertine deck, which was installed 3.5 years ago by a professional company. And I said, well, I heard I'm supposed to put some kind of like a coating on it. And the guy that actually did the tile cutting, he said, you'll have to do this, and you do it with a brush and put it all on. I was like, I paid you guys 20 grand to do this, and now I got to do this myself. And after we'd lived here for 4 years, it started to look worn. Even though this is a new surface, there was black mold and algae and a couple spots that were like really faded. I was looking online and I saw an ad about your company. I looked at it and I read the reviews, and they really seemed to all have a common thread through them of a good experience. I hired this company. They did what they said they were going to do. The results were great. And I said, wow, this sounds too good to be true. So I was skeptical at first. After I sent the email and said, come out and look at my project, they sent a gentleman named Tom to come out. I got everything I needed to do to make my decision. He was really honest about it and laid it all out. It was awesome. And they told me what was going to happen, gave me a timeline of how it was going to happen. I think he said 8:30, and it was like 8:30 there where I could set my watch by him. Everything was taken care of. I didn't feel like I had to come out here and check if everything was going all right. And were they doing their job, or were they taking a long break? Or I just like, wow, they know what they're doing, and I just let them do it. That was the great thing about it. I was amazed that I didn't have to worry about it looking like it was a waxed floor. It went down, and I could barely tell that it was there. My project was important, and they were concerned about it, and we were all centered on that thing. It was really a great thing. The coping on that pool, above the blue tile, they did that all by hand. And it was not, they didn't just do the surface and say, well, you paid us to do the surface. We're not going to do that other than, if it was travertine, they did it. When I swim over to the side of the pool, that's something that I see, and it was great that they did that. Everything he said would happen, happened, and it happened on time. He said the guy will email you, and it worked. It was so cool.